Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making this dinner rolls, sweet, yummy and soft. So guys, I have my flour, egg, butter, sugar, salt, yeast. For this, first of all, I'll just get my warm milk. We are using warm milk because if you don't use warm milk, your dough might just not rise. So this is the milk we are going to be using, and this is the yeast we are going to be using. I'll add some yeast here, then I'll take some sugar and add, because you know yeast really loves sugar. So I'll set this aside and let it rest a bit. Then I'll take my dry bowl and I'll measure in 2 cups of flour. Like I always say, sieve your flour because you don't know where it has been kept because of lumps or weevil. And again, it helps the flour to become light. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm sieving the flour. This is the first cup and this is our second cup. You can see I have some weevil here. If I didn't sieve it, it would have entered my bread. So I'll just take it and then I'll throw it away. So when this is done, I'll add in the other dry ingredients. So this is the salt I'm adding here. Then I'll add the remaining sugar. I'll just combine everything together like this. Now start adding my wet ingredients. Just add gently and then combine until it forms a dough. Remember, it's warm milk, not cool milk. It has to be warm for the yeast to be active. So guys, this is what we have here now. So I'll add in the butter. After adding the butter, then you now have to rub in. Gently rub it in until your dough is well formed and not sticky. So guys, after adding the butter, this is what we have. The butter has entered every part of the flour and this is the dough that has been formed. So I'll now cover it with a cling film or any kitchen towel and allow it to double its size for the next 40 minutes to 1 hour. I left this for 30 minutes and this is what I have. So it is now time for me to take it out, get your clean surface, then bring it out from a bowl and cut into shape. So this is what we have. You can see what I'm doing, just roll it like this so you can cut it into shape. So I'll be using this my pizza tray. I'll just add in some butter. Use the butter to rub it like this. Then spread some flour on it so that when the bread is baked, it won't stick to the pan. If your quantity is much, then get a bigger tray for this. So this is what I'm going to do. So I can now cut into shape. Because it's home use, I can cut it without weighing it. But it's for commercial purpose, you have to weigh it so that all will be equal. So this is what I have, and you take them one after the other and cut into a round shape. Just fold it in like this. See how I'm folding it. Fold it in, fold it in. Then on your work surface, you roll it like this. I might not get that perfect shape, but what I have will be good enough for you. I think this is okay. Then drop it in. This is what you are going to do until you are done with all the cut dough. Just fold it in like this. Then leave, when you add it in your tray, just give some space because it's going to rise more. So guys, you can see what I have here, and this is the last. You can see how I gave it space, so it's going to rise more. So now I'll leave it for 1 hour, or if it rises before that time, you cannot take it into the oven. So I'll get my cling film or a towel and cover it. So I'll use this cling film to cover it in place. So guys, you can see what I have here, and this is the last. You can see how I gave it space, so it's going to rise more. So now I'll leave it for 1 hour, or if it rises before that time, you cannot take it into the oven. So I'll get my cling film or a towel and cover it. So I'll use this cling film to cover it, then place a towel on it to make it warm, then allow it to double its size. This is going to be here for 1 hour before we take it into the oven. So guys, after 1 hour, I'm back. Let me see what we have. Wow, so you can see what we have here. Our dinner roll is well formed, and if I had used a deeper pan, you could see how swollen up it's going to be, but it's all right. It's still okay because it's for home consumption. So what I'll do, I've cracked the egg now. I'll just take in some milk, add into the egg, and then I'll rub it as the egg wash. This will enable it to have that brownish color at the top when it is baked. So this is going to be baking for 20 minutes, and then you are good to go. If you don't have milk to add, or you don't want to, you can add water into the cracked egg. You are good to go too. I'm already perceiving the flavor of this bread. Wow. Guys, if you have watched me up to this moment and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a hug. And if you've been following me, thank you so very much. Keep liking my videos, keep sharing, and always give my video a thumbs up, please. So as I'm doing this now, the oven is on. My oven is set to be medium, high, and low. So it's going to be baking on medium, because if your oven is too hot, your bread might get burnt. So guys, I'm taking it now into the oven. So guys, after 20 minutes, this is what we have. This dinner roast came out so well. So guys, the bread is out. You can see I'm rubbing this butter on it so it can be more succulent. See how the butter is melting on top. I can't wait to have a feel of this. If you like pepper, you can just sprinkle some pepper, as in the seed of the pepper, if you are someone that likes hotness, and this will go well. Wow. See our bread, you see? When you press it like this, it bounces back. See? It bounces back. This is so yummy. Let me know you are watching from so I can give you a hug. So guys, this is what we have here. And we are good to go. So guys, I'm done. You can see how nice our dinner roll is looking. Though it's not too perfect, but it is okay. You know, it's for home consumption, not for sale. But some people do make this and sell as a business. So you can do it if you want something to do as a stay-at-home mom. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next. Bye-bye.